Fix my laptop. I'm gonna fix it. Here's the RAM door. My phone is ringing. Make sure it's like all nice looking and stuff. Make sure the RAM is in. Poke it, poke it, poke it, poke it. Push it, break it, poke it, break it. Nope. This should go here, but I can't find the screws. That screw isn't the right one. So I'm just gonna like make it work. Which it isn't. Oh, where did I put the other tape? I like a giant piece of tape somewhere. Oh, here it is. Let's hang off this side. Okay. Bunch of tape. I'm gonna put the thing on. Make sure it looks nice. Like all this stuff here gets nice looking. So you can see the screw. Doesn't fit. And it's on. Laptop's not on, but I'm gonna take out the wireless. I'm gonna put it back in. Let's go on the top because the other one has a piece of tape jammed into it. Put that down so I don't break them. And I'm gonna flip it over. Poke that little sticker for Florida. Put out the little steppy thingies I just took off. I'll plug it in because the battery lasts 5 minutes. Open the screen, but not too much, because if I do, it'll fall like that and fall off my desk, which I don't want because I already did that. Press the power button. Hit the fan. Turn it on. Oh, let me see if it works or how much I have the RAM working. Because sometimes it doesn't. It's supposed to say 512. I have to turn it off. Okay, pooper. I'm gonna lift you up. Breaking the electric cords in my wireless. Pushing both of the RAMs. Press the button. Hit the fan. And it stopped. Oops. Let me fix that. I'm not hitting it this time. Put in the RAM. Ow! Oh, hey, there's a screw. Try it now, and I won't hit it. Oh, I fixed it. Let's see if it works now. Not what I wanted. Yeah, I have a better idea. Take out power. Oops, that was my mouse. And I'm gonna let it overheat. It has a bad overheating problem due to the terrible fan that you can hear. Oh, now it got back to speed. But I'm gonna close the lid, make it real hot. Put this clothes on. Nah, they'll burn. Put the 7 key on top of it. It's gonna warm it up and like that. pressed pennies, and this little heart thing. I'm gonna put a bunch of stuff on it, like this charger for my camera I was looking for. Found it. Old PDA, SD adapters, broken PDA, charger, watch. Oops, ow, I just hit my foot. I hear the fan, it's all getting all. Put that on top. No, I'm gonna put that one on top. I'll put my knife on. No. This thing. And. Okay, I'm coming. Yeah, bye.